computerized, everything is done by the machine. So this is one of the main advantage. And of course, at the end, you will save a lot of time depending on the amount of goods that reach by the company. And before that, I want to show you the D-Tamil 500, the barcode reader also. And the thing is, before I continue, is that the main advantage of this barcode reader is that one thing is when tags come into the company, sometimes the tags are badly printed. So this machine can read all tags, whatever tags, even if it's badly printed, it's poorly printed, it's invisible, or it's wet, it can still read the barcode. So this means you don't need to print the tags once more. These are different goods with the tags. Even some are not visible, some are hidden by some. So it's going to prove you that you can read it. This one is badly printed. So you place it on the conveyors, which can move at any speed. You can set the speed. So it really the barcode reader is fixed on top. So you can increase the speed of the conveyors. So we already now discussed about the checking. So now about the local goods. So in last time when we came, you explained to us that there's supply A, supply B, and for both local goods, there's the sorting and marking process, where the goods need to be sent to upper levels to be marked and sent down for sorting.